Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SSUCA CarPlay wireless adapter for factory wired CarPlay 2023 upgrade. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: upgrade your factory wired CarPlay system to wireless with the SSUCA CarPlay wireless adapter. This plug-and-play dongle is easy to install and allows you to convert your wired CarPlay system to wireless, making it compatible with your iPhone running iOS 10 or later. The adapter is specifically designed to fit cars from 2015 and newer. Features: easy installation. Simply plug the SSUCA CarPlay wireless adapter into your car's USB port and pair it with your iPhone to enjoy wireless CarPlay. High-quality wireless transmission. The adapter features fast and stable wireless transmission, ensuring a seamless CarPlay experience without any lag or interruptions. Compatible with iOS 10 and newer, the adapter works with iPhones running iOS 10 or later, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Factory integration. The adapter seamlessly integrates with your factory CarPlay system, ensuring a consistent user experience and preserving your car's original functionality. Wide compatibility. The SSUCA CarPlay wireless adapter is compatible with a wide range of car models from 2015 and newer. Specifications: material, ABS plastic size, 2.2 x 0.6 x 0.3 inches, weight, 0.3 ounces. Compatibility: cars from 2015 and newer, iPhones running iOS 10 or later. Connection. Wireless package includes SSUCA CarPlay wireless adapter user manual. Upgrade your CarPlay system with the SSUCA CarPlay wireless adapter and enjoy the convenience and freedom of wireless connectivity. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.